Hello my friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Today I will show you the security updates on Windows 11, and today guys we will update on this version. Is the last one. This is the first cumulative update, is for update security for your Windows operation system, and I'm installing today on this unsupported PC, and then let's try and see if it will works on our computer. But this comes with the big changes, guy. This update comes after 22,190. This was the official version, the released one, that it came on 5 October, and now today we will come here on this version 258, the last one. Address known compatibility issues between some Intel Killer and Smart by networking software and Windows 11 original release. If you install earlier updates, only the new fix contained in this package will be downloaded and installed on your device. And I'm here on this PC that is not supported by Windows 11, and then here it is, the security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus. We have here cumulative update framework 3.5, and also Windows software removal tool pending for download. Also we have cumulative update for Windows 11 for a 64-base system, and here it is. It is downloading right now on 5%. So my computer, if you go here on PC health check, you will see does not. So you see the computer doesn't currently meet the Windows 11 system requirements, but we have here security updates, because I have a lot of questions, a lot of comments on the other video tutorial that are saying if we are able to see a security updates on Windows 11 with unsupported computers. Look at this. We have here updates available to download. Yeah, click download it again, and then let's see. We have 100% download. Yes, and let's see if we are able to install it, everything, and then we will check again for these security updates. But till now it looks like it's working, guys. So this is the first time I see these updates on the Windows 11, but I think it's working. So I choose that method to replace that DLL file, a prizer.dll file that I put on the other video tutorial that I show you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs. The reason why I choose that option is because it works on unsupported processors, not only with TPM and UEFI, but also with unsupported computers processors. Pending installation, downloading 100%, and is trying to install a malicious software removal tool. This one here is seen for first time today. Let's see if it will work. Wait a second, I click the history here, go back. Yes, it is installing, it's pending installation. This cumulative update for Net Framework 3.5 and 4.8 on Windows 11 for 64-bit, and it's installing, it's stuck on 0% now. Let's see if it will work. I don't think it's any problem with that, but let's see. It's installing, yes. 44%. It's 44%. And cumulative update for Windows 11, here it is. Installing 45, 44, 100%. Pending restart, so it needs a restart. That's cool. This cumulative update for Windows 11. So we have pending restart here, guys. So it's important. It's important update. I will restart after this one finish here. So then we are ready, and it looks like it works. Okay, so we don't have any problem with security updates on Windows 11. Unsupported computers, yes, I forgot to say that. Installing 25%. Okay, we have here pending restart, guys. I will do the restart right now, and then I will come back on the video. Updates are under the way. Please keep your computer on. Here it is. So now let's see that system. Go here on the system. Let's go on about, and let's see Windows 11 Pro. And this is the OS build. Yes, it's changed. It's 22,258. So we have here the lasted version, 258. And let's see the Microsoft update catalog here. And we have here cumulative update for Windows 11 based on system 64 is Windows 11 here, security update. It's done yesterday. Yes, look at this, here and here and here. We get all these updates. Let me check here. Let's go and see on Windows update history. Yes, this one is here on Microsoft. Look at this, 674. So today in October 12th we have this version, this OS version built on for Windows 11. It works very well on this computer now. So as you see, security updates and release updates are working well. So thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. Continue watching videos on tips to fix, and if you have any questions, just write me a comment on the comment area. There are some videos waiting for publishing. So God bless you, and see you on the next video tutorial.